Oh, Zachy. Good to see you, buddy. He missed me, didn't you? You're such a dork. You missed me.
I let my bucket tilt take care of the engagement of the ground. See the handle sticking out. I can't wreck that potato digger. Been in the family for more than 10 years. Here you go through this. The yard just turns to slop. I keep adding a little bit of recycle, a little more recycle every year. But this year I'd really like to just spend the money and just clean this whole yard up with some recycle. I don't know. That's a lot of money though. Maybe 2020. Keep putting it off every year. Some year the money will be there when I'm YouTube rich. So yeah, I cleaned that up pretty good. And well, let's see if the 4020 has dead batteries or what's going on with him. We have lights. That little starter kicks butt, boy. The mighty blue sets down. La 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 la. La 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 la. We got a little ponding going out there. Ain't no big deal. I might lose a little bit of the hay field along this edge, but whatever. Whatever. Now if I can get out of here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Be able to get much footage of backing in there because I need both hands to steer and lift and lower the auger, because I gotta go up and over the two little bins but get in the right spot when I'm doing it to get lined up to hit the crop store just right. And I've never had to do it with ice all over the ground. I don't know about you guys, but tractors are kind of useless on ice. Barely got turned around with the old 46. I guess I can zoom out. That snow is so dense. Just so dense and heavy and froze enough that The tractor can't quite climb on top of it, but it's really hard to push through it. I might have to, I don't know what. Man, them cows, they're just loving. They have not laid down all day. They just, a few have, but most of them just stand there and eating all day. Holy cow, they are just eating. Stop here, top off our fuel whenever I get figured out on how to get out to the field. I don't know what to do for the field if I take the snowblower over there tomorrow and check it out. I think it's more snow. Maybe if we freeze tonight, I can't go across the top. Like out in the open field, the sod, the snow is hard enough in the morning I could drive the ATV right across the snow. But I don't know what to do. Look at him. He thinks he's gonna get me. He's so goofy. Talk about warming and drying the field. Look where there's no corn sticking through. Dense, hard snow. Yep. The stalks may hold more snow, but it's light, it's fluffy, and it melts away quick. You can almost see ground right there. More every day, there's more and more evidence that the tilling to warm and dry the soil is a myth. Your soil is wet and cold because it lacks structure and health. If I can get to the top of the hill, on the downside I could try and grab another gear, get a little more speed to get around and up a little bit of grade. Nice thing is the snow is so dense that you actually get traction with it, kinda. Instead of there being just that frozen sugar snow, it packs under the tire and grabs. Girl, come on, girl. Woo. You know, it's funny, it don't look like much hill, but it's there. There's some hill there. Now I just, I don't know what my next, I don't have another gear. We're just gonna kamikaze it, and hopefully we get through. Oh no! Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh man! That 8450 is an unstoppable force. I'll tell you what, I was 100% expecting to just sit there. Oh, whew. That's nice. We're not out of the woods yet, but oh, if I run this ridge right for my pickup, now this track that I made will freeze and, you know, overnight, and it'll be easy to drive on this same track. So for a couple days I might be using the buggy to get the corn out of the field.